Birds. Well, I ought to do all right here. After all, I'm a bird. Ducks are birds, you know. Okay, now. Puccini was lacking and Wagner Teutonic.
And birds are incurably Philharmonic.
Suburban yards and rural vistas are filled with avian Andrews sisters.
Of course, the lemon trees have lemon sisters.
Skylark sings a roundelay, la 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 la. The crow sings a road to Mandalay with a flying finch's prey, and the sun comes up like something or other. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Over enthusiastic. Let's see now. The nightingale sings a lullaby,
And the seagull sings a gulliby, right?
Lullaby. Gullaby.
Some fish are minnows, some are whales.
People like dimples, fish like scales,
Some fish are slim,
and some are round.
they don't get cold.
They don't get drowned. But every fishwife fears for her fish. What we call mermaids, they call merfish.
Merfish?
elephants are useful friends, equipped with handles at both ends.
Preposterous. Handles at both ends. Pooh.
They have a wrinkled, moth-proof hide. Their teeth are upside down, outside.
I repeat, preposterous. Hey, right. Preposterous. Now get this. Oh, you'll die. If you think the elephant preposterous, you've probably never seen a rhinoceros. Preposterous. I can't stand it. Rhinoceros. Preposterous. Rhinoceros?
Perhaps a little mood music